Bacteria are everywhere. They are on our skin, in our gut, and in the air we breathe. These tiny organisms are invisible to the naked eye, but they play a crucial role in our lives and the planet's ecosystems. Bacteria are single-celled organisms, meaning they are made up of just one cell. They are prokaryotes, which means their genetic material is not enclosed within a nucleus. Despite their small size, bacteria are incredibly diverse and have adapted to survive in virtually every environment on Earth, from the depths of the ocean to the heights of the atmosphere. Bacteria were among the first life forms to appear on Earth billions of years ago. They have evolved to thrive in a wide range of conditions, from hot springs to the human gut. Bacteria are essential to life as we know it, playing key roles in nutrient cycling, decomposition, and even the production of oxygen. Understanding bacteria is crucial for appreciating the complexity of life and for developing strategies to combat bacterial infections that threaten human health. Bacteria may be small, but they are remarkably complex organisms. Their simple structure belies their ability to survive in extreme environments and to resist the effects of antibiotics. Bacteria have a cell wall that surrounds their cell membrane, providing structural support and protection. Some bacteria also have a capsule, a sticky outer layer that helps them adhere to surfaces and evade the immune system. Inside the cell, bacteria have a cytoplasm that contains ribosomes, which are responsible for protein synthesis. Bacteria reproduce through binary fission, a process in which one cell divides into two identical daughter cells. This rapid reproduction allows bacteria to quickly adapt to changing environments and to develop resistance to antibiotics. Some bacteria can also form spores, dormant structures that can survive harsh conditions, such as extreme temperatures, radiation, and lack of nutrients. These spores can remain viable for long periods, even centuries, and germinate into active bacteria when conditions become favorable. Bacteria often evoke fear and disgust, conjuring images of disease and contamination. While it's true that some bacteria are harmful, causing a wide range of illnesses, it's crucial to remember that many bacteria are beneficial and even essential to human health. In fact, our bodies are home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the human microbiome. These bacterial communities reside in our gut, on our skin, and in other parts of our body, playing crucial roles in digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. The balance between beneficial and harmful bacteria is delicate. Factors like diet, stress, and antibiotic use can disrupt this balance, leading to dysbiosis, a state of microbial imbalance that can contribute to various health problems. Understanding the complex interplay between bacteria and the human body is a key area of research, with implications for developing targeted therapies for a wide range of diseases. The human gut, in particular, is teeming with bacteria, harboring trillions of microorganisms collectively known as the gut microbiota. These bacterial communities play a crucial role in digestion, breaking down complex carbohydrates and fibers that our bodies can't digest on their own. In the process, they produce essential vitamins, such as vitamin K and some B vitamins, which are absorbed by the body. Beyond digestion, gut bacteria contribute to a healthy immune system. They compete with harmful bacteria for resources and space, preventing the overgrowth of pathogens. They also educate the immune system, training it to distinguish between harmless and harmful microbes. This delicate balance is crucial for preventing autoimmune diseases and allergies. Section 5. The scourge of bacterial diseases. When good bacteria go bad. While many bacteria are beneficial, some can cause diseases known as bacterial infections. These infections occur when harmful bacteria invade the body and multiply, overwhelming the immune system. Bacterial diseases can range in severity from mild, self-limiting infections to life-threatening illnesses. Transmission can occur through various routes, including person-to-person contact, contaminated food or water, and animal bites. Bacterial infections are a significant public health concern worldwide, responsible for millions of deaths annually. Factors like poor sanitation, lack of access to clean water, and overuse of antibiotics contribute to the spread and severity of bacterial diseases. Understanding the mechanisms of bacterial infection and developing effective treatments are crucial for combating these diseases and improving global health. Section 6. Tuberculosis, a resilient foe. Tuberculosis, or TB, is a bacterial infection that primarily affects the lungs but can also spread to other parts of the body, such as the kidneys, spine, and brain. Caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis, TB is spread through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Symptoms of TB include persistent cough, chest pain, fatigue, weight loss, and night sweats. TB is a curable and preventable disease, but it remains a major global health problem, particularly in developing countries with limited access to healthcare. Treatment for TB typically involves a combination of antibiotics taken over several months. Drug-resistant TB is a growing concern, as it is more difficult and expensive to treat. Section 7. Cholera, the battle for hydration. Cholera is an acute diarrheal infection caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholera. This bacterium produces a toxin that causes the intestines to secrete large amounts of fluids, leading to severe dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Cholera is typically spread through contaminated water or food. Cholera can be fatal if left untreated, but it is easily preventable and treatable. Oral rehydration therapy, which involves replacing lost fluids and electrolytes, is highly effective in treating cholera. Access to clean water and sanitation are crucial for preventing the spread of cholera. Section 8. Combating bacterial infections, treatments, and challenges. Antibiotics have revolutionized medicine, providing effective treatments for bacterial infections that were once often fatal. These drugs work by targeting specific mechanisms essential for bacterial survival, such as cell wall synthesis, protein synthesis, or DNA replication. However, the overuse and misuse of antibiotics have led to the emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, posing a significant threat to global health. Antibiotic resistance occurs when bacteria evolve mechanisms to evade the effects of antibiotics. This can happen through mutations in their genes or by acquiring resistance genes from other bacteria. As a result, antibiotics become less effective in treating infections, leading to longer illnesses, increased healthcare costs, and higher mortality rates. Section 9. The future of the fight: research and innovation. Combating antibiotic resistance and developing new strategies to treat bacterial infections are major focuses of current research. Scientists are exploring new approaches to antibiotic development, such as targeting bacterial virulence factors, which are molecules that enable bacteria to cause disease, rather than targeting essential bacterial processes. This approach aims to reduce the selective pressure that drives antibiotic resistance. In addition to new antibiotics, researchers are investigating alternative approaches to treating bacterial infections, such as phage therapy, which uses viruses that infect and kill bacteria, and fecal microbiota transplantation, which involves transferring fecal matter from a healthy donor to a recipient to restore a healthy gut microbiome. These innovative approaches hold promise for combating bacterial infections and addressing the growing threat of antibiotic resistance.